These are the elevators at Diamond View 2 at American Tobacco Campus in Durham, North Carolina. These are KONE with KSS 500. EcoSpace or MonoSpace, I'm not entirely sure. These are very mirrored chrome elevators. Up to 5. Here we go. It goes 350 feet a minute, so these are probably MonoSpace, but I'm not sure. Long chime. This one double search cars are rear door. Here at 5. Back to 1R. 1R does actually work. Certificate installed in 2008. Pretty basic but nice KONE elevators. Pretty nice marble floors. 8A foam, even that's chromy. No foam here, back up 1. I'll close this and that's going to be it.